Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss some conversions questions from aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Are you ready? Okay. Then first one, propanone to propene. How we can convert propanone to propene? Okay. Then first we should write propanone. Propanone CH3 C double bond O CH3, that is propanone. Propanone. Okay, then we can convert propanone to propene. So propene means CH3 CH double bond CH2. Okay, CH3CH double bond CH2. This is propanone and this is propene. Okay, first we should write propane. Propane, that is, CH3 CH2 CH3. Okay, then propene means prop 1E. So we should remove this hydrogen from these two carbon. Okay, then we should put here double bond, that is propene. Okay, understood? Okay, then how we can convert propanone to propene? Then first we should reduce it by lithium aluminium hydride. Lithium aluminium hydride undergoes a reduction. Okay, then we will get CH3 CH OH CH3. Okay, C double bond O undergoes reduction to form CHOH. Then we heat it. Removal of water. That is one hydrogen from this carbon and OH from this carbon. Okay, H from this CH3 and OH from this CH. It become single bond, become double bond. Okay, but CH3 CH single bond CH3 from this carbon OH and this carbon, that is H. So H2 will remove from this adjacent carbon, then a double bond will put there. Okay, CH3 CH double bond CH2, that is known as propene. Propanone react with otherwise propanone undergoes reduction with lithium aluminium hydride. Then we will get propantool. This is propantool. Then it undergoes heating. Then we will get propene. Understood? Okay, then we can see next conversion. Second one, benzoic acid to benzaldehyde. How we can convert benzoic acid to benzaldehyde? Benzoic acid. This is benzene ring. And then this is OH, benzoic acid to benzaldehyde. Okay, this is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. This is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid react with the thionyl chloride SOCl2. Then we will get benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride ZOCl, that is benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride undergoes hydrogenation in the presence of a catalyst palladium on barium sulfate. We will get benzaldehyde. The reaction is known as Rosenmund reduction. Okay, this benzoyl chloride undergoes Rosenmund reduction. Rosenmund reduction. Palladium on barium sulfate, then we will get benzaldehyde. That is Rosenmund reduction. So benzoic acid react with the thionyl chloride, then we will get benzoyl chloride, and this benzoyl chloride undergoes Rosenmund reduction. Then we will get benzaldehyde. Okay? Did you follow me? Then we can see third conversion. The next, third question, ethanol to 3-hydroxybutanol. Ethanol, how we can convert ethanol to 3-hydroxybutanol? Okay, let us see. Ethanol, that is CH3CH2OH, that is ethanol. We have to convert that into 3-hydroxybutanol. CH3 this is butanol. 3-hydroxy means here OH. So that is 3-hydroxybutanol. How we can convert ethanol to 3-hydroxybutanol? First we should react this ethanol with chromium oxide, means it undergoes oxidation. Then we will get CH3CHO. Am I correct? Then ethanol undergoes oxidation. In the presence of chromium oxide, we will get ethanol. From ethanol, how we can produce 3-hydroxybutanol? That process is known as aldol reaction. Okay, this ethanol, that is CH3CHO, react with another molecule of CH3CHO. Then this alpha hydrogen atom is attached to this oxygen. Then we will get the product CH3 CHOH CH2CHO, beta hydroxy butanol. Aldehydes and ketones having at least one alpha hydrogen atom undergoes aldol condensation. In the presence of dilute alkali, we will get beta hydroxybutanol. That is the intermediate step in the preparation of aldol condensation. So this CH3CHO undergoes aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. In the presence of dilute alkali, dilute NaOH, then we will get beta hydroxybutanol. That is known as aldol. Beta hydroxybutanol. Beta hydroxybutanol means 3-hydroxybutanol. That is known as aldol. Okay, CH3CHO plus CH3CHO, then this alpha hydrogen atom attached to this oxygen, then we will get CH3CHOH CH2CHO, CH3CHOH CH2CHO, that is known as 3-hydroxybutanol. Ethanol undergoes oxidation. In the presence of chromium oxide, we will get ethanol. This ethanol undergoes aldol condensation. In the presence of dilute NaOH, we will get 3-hydroxybutanol. That process is known as, that reaction is known as aldol reaction. Am I correct? Okay guys, study up to here. The remaining conversions we will see in the next class. Until then, bye bye.